Hi everyone, this is Beena, Assistant Professor from MBA Department, SNS College of Technology. And in this video, we are going to look into one of the chapter, the theories for compensation and reward management. So far, we have gone through so many subjects related to the compensation and reward management. In this video, we are going to look into the theoretical foundation that led to the compensation and reward management. Employee compensation plays a key role because it is at the employment relationship being of critical importance to both employees and employers. Employees typically depend on wages, salary, and so forth to provide a large share of their income and on the benefits to provide income and healthy security. For employers, compensation decisions influence their cost of doing business and thus their ability to sell at a competitive price in the product market. In addition, compensation decisions influence the employee's ability to compete for employees in the labor market, as well as their attitudes and behavior while with the employer. So, what are the consequences of this pay decisions? To understand what type of pay systems are most likely to be effective and how their effectiveness differs according to contingency factors such as business strategy, national culture, competitive environment, and employee characteristics. We need to have a good conceptual framework or theory. In truth, there is no yet grand theory of compensation that takes these contingency factors into account. But apart from all these discussions, there are four different theories which determines the compensation and the reward system. The first one is reinforcement theory, the second one is equity theory, third one is agency theory, and the fourth one is expectancy theory. Let's get deep into the reinforcement theory. Reinforcement theory of motivation overlooks the internal state of individual, that is the inner feelings and drives of individuals are ignored by Skinner. This theory focuses totally on what happens to an individual when he takes some actions. This theory is a strong tool for analyzing controlling mechanism for individuals' behavior. However, it do not focus on the causes of individuals' behavior. Let's take that is, we have divided the theory into four different parts: the positive reinforcement, the negative reinforcement, punishment, and the extension. Positive reinforcement, positive behavior followed by positive consequences. Say, for example, when the manager praises the employees. The negative reinforcement, positive behavior followed by a removal of negative consequences. Manager stops nagging the employees. Punishment, negative behavior followed by the negative consequences. Manager depromotes an employee. The final one is extinction, negative behavior followed by the removal of positive consequences. Say, for example, manager ignores the behavior. So all these are contributing the reinforcement theory. What are the implications of reinforcement theory? This theory explains in detail how the individual learns behavior. Managers who are making attempt to motivate the employees must ensure that they do not reward all employees simultaneously. They must tell the employees what they are not doing correct. This must tell the employees how they can achieve positive reinforcement. Next, coming to the one of the theory, the agency theory, where it is the concept used to explain the important relationship between the between the principal and their relative agent. In most basic sense, the principal is someone who heavily relies on an agent to execute specific financial decisions and transition that can result in fluctuating outcomes. In terms of business, the principal is considered to be a stakeholder, while the agent is considered to be a company executive. Although it may not seem like it, shareholders and company executives are tightly connected. Agency theory is often referred to as agency dilemma or the agency problem. So, what are the different agency theory relationship? The shareholders and the company executives, the investor and the fund manager, and finally the board of directors and the CEO. What are the causes of agency problems? When a conflict of interest arises between the principal and the agent, when the agent is making decision on behalf of the principal that is not in the best interest of each associated party, the agent may act independently from the principal in order to obtain some sort of previously agreed upon incentive or bonus. Confidentially breach regarding the personal and financial informations of the principal. Insider trading with the information provided by the principal. When the principal acts against the recommendation provided by the agents. How it is going to reduce the agency problems. One is transparency, another one is restriction, and the final one is bonuses. Thank you for listening to the theories video. Further videos, we are going to discuss about the equity theory and the expectancy theory. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.